At the pinnacle, understanding and using this English phrase. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English phrases, specifically focusing on the phrase, at the pinnacle. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering English, and I'm excited to help you learn about it. Let's get started. At the pinnacle is an idiomatic expression in English. The word pinnacle refers to the highest point of something, be it a physical object like a mountain or a metaphorical concept like a career. When someone says they are at the pinnacle, they mean they are at the peak or zenith of a particular aspect of their life or profession. This phrase has an interesting origin. The word pinnacle comes from the Old French word pignon, which means a gable, derived from the Latin word pinaculum, a small wing or gable. Over time, it evolved to represent the highest point of achievement or development. 1. Career success. After years of hard work, she finally reached the pinnacle of her career as a CEO. 2. Sporting achievement. Winning the Olympic gold medal was the pinnacle of his sporting life. 3. Personal achievements. For many, climbing Mount Everest represents the pinnacle of personal adventure and challenge. Understanding synonyms can broaden your usage of this phrase. Here are a few: apex, summit, zenith, climax, acme. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of at the pinnacle. Remember, learning such phrases can add depth to your English proficiency. Keep practicing, and you'll soon find yourself at the pinnacle of English language mastery. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.